10 most expensive apartments in the world. Before we start, it's our request to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get the latest updates. 10. Historic Columbia Square Penthouse, Los Angeles. The Penthouse is the renovated luxury rental tower of Kilroy Realty Corporation, one of the crown jewels of Columbia Square living. Property, renewable campus, 200 renovated housing, preserved office space, thriving retail, green areas and underground parking. This Hollywood gem was once owned by Friends actor Matthew Perry, who footed the bill of $30,000 a month to call this place home. Nestled in the chic quartier of Columbia Square, the revamped luxurious apartment can be found in the 18th-story high-rise and reveals a space of 2,405 square feet. Amenities include the astonishing view of the Hollywood sign and Los Angeles sunset, along with other luxury essentials like hardwood floors, an open-concept kitchen and several rooms. Yearly, we are looking at $3.6 million USD spent on this property alone yearly. Other famous celebrities also live in the 18-story high building. They are all part of Los Angeles's turnkey vertical lifestyle. With the softening of Los Angeles's domestic market, the Hollywood elite hiring. 09. Capella The Club Residence, Singapore. The Club Residences by Capella Singapore is a beautifully designed and a unique development located in the Knolls, Sentosa Island, District 04, Singapore. The construction of this development was done by the famous Pontiac Land Pte Ltd, which is a very well-reputed company in the field of construction. Singapore in and of itself is quite an expensive city, hence the living standard is naturally elevated than most places featured on this list. Nevertheless, it does not mean luxury suffers at the hand of high living costs. Some of these places are, in fact, reflecting most of Singapore's finest as seen at the Capella The Club Residences. This ready-to-move-in apartment is priced at $36,000 monthly. Features of the penthouse include renovated rooms, first-class amenities and regular housekeeping services. Yearly, the rent comes up to the generous sum of $4.3 million. 08. Le Rêve Penthouse, Dubai. Le Rêve is an imposing, elegant and highly exclusive 50-floor, 80-apartment residential tower adjacent to the vibrant Dubai Marina. Featuring gorgeous 360-degree views, the property was designed to attract the international jet set who want to buy highly private, A-list living close to the sparkling waters of the Arabian Sea. The lavish interiors, which include superb detailing and smart home systems, mean the building has already garnered a raft of international awards. Leisure facilities such as a luxury spa, gymnasium and indoor swimming pool all add to Le Rêve's unique status. A 14,350 square feet sized property, Le Rêve Penthouse is one of Dubai Marina's finest stays. This apartment includes 7 bathrooms and 5 bedrooms, a maid's room. Because living in a place like this, you are expected to have a maid, a study and more open concept rooms for you to fill up. Along with concierge service and a private elevator, you may enjoy the building's steam room, sauna and gymnasium to keep up with your fitness. Total cost based on the listing summarizes at $12 million USD. 07. Le Panorama, Monte Carlo. Superb fully renovated apartment overlooking the sea and the Monaco Formula 1 Grand Prix circuit. On approximately 1,045 square meters on one level, it sits on the entire 9th floor of this building with concierge. This 157 square per meter property is so lush that the price must be requested. Located in the heart of Monte Carlo, Le Panorama grants its visitors with overwhelming views of the Formula 1 Grand Prix race circuit. It also includes 6 rooms and bathrooms, 4 parking spaces, 5 cellars, and its very own soundproofed cinema. Although the price is unknown, other properties in the building range within $12 million USD. Hence, we can estimate this property must at least start in that range. 06. 16 ETH, Paris. Located in Montrouge, Hotel 16 Paris Montrouge is in the city center and near the airport. Louvre Museum and Palais Garnier are cultural highlights, and travelers looking to shop may want to visit Galeries Lafayette and Rue Claire. This splendid apartment can be found in the City of Lights and expands vastly at 537.50 square per meter. With this purchase, you get a total of 5 bedrooms and bathrooms, an office and access to an interior courtyard along with magnificent views of the Eiffel Tower. The property reveals a subtle decor of golden interior reminiscent of the architecture appointed to the French monarchy, and could be yours for $23 million USD. 05. Federation Tower, Moscow. Unique views of Moscow are offered in this ravishingly beautiful property. Measuring at 431 square per meter, this 3-level luxury apartment offers 7 bedrooms and several other amenities to enjoy. The property precisely distinguishes itself through an elegant and sleek design which includes a glass dome surrounding the entire space. Current price clocks in at $39 million USD. 04, 1000 Museum Penthouse, Miami. One of the best penthouses Miami has to offer, 1000 Museum's residences magnify the experience of breathtaking Biscayne Bay and Atlantic Ocean views as well as dynamic views of the Miami skyline. These exhilarating downtown Miami apartments offer living rooms, bedrooms and entertainment spaces that have all been designed with east-to-west flow-through floor plans to capture this mesmerizing panorama. The hot weather of Miami will surely burn a hole into the pockets of anyone looking to live luxuriously. And this $49 million USD property accounts for that statement. Located in the heart of Miami, 1000 Museum offers jaw-dropping views of downtown Miami and Biscayne Bay. This well-designed stay also includes a 1,000 square feet terrace along with 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms and a private pool. 03, Residence Odeon Tower, Monaco. Despite its size, Monaco remains one of the richest places in the world. The French sovereign city-state is thus home to some of the most expensive apartments in the world, hence, it is only right for us to include Monaco in this list, and accordingly, property websites reflect the current sale of a luxury apartment topping at $67 million US. Located in the high tower of Odeon, this refined suite includes breathtaking views of the city along with 4 bedrooms, a high-tech kitchen, a cellar and more. 02, Le Penthouse, New York, clocking in at the shocking amount of $98 million USD. This New York City penthouse is the lap of luxury. Located on Madison Avenue, at the core of the city, the residence is measured at 19,815 square feet and includes a ton of amenities such as 14 bathrooms, countless fireplaces along with a rooftop pool and jacuzzi. To assist you further, the location also includes a full-time doorman and live-in nanny. As best worded by the original listing, this apartment provides a fulfilling and understated contemporary lifestyle, featuring 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, and 4,500 square feet of outdoor space. The over-the-top penthouse sits atop a new luxury high-rise located at 172 Madison Avenue. Also not far from Madison Square Park and the Flatiron District. 01, 1 Hyde Park, London. Luxattic has previously reported that London's 1 Hyde Park was one of the world's most expensive apartment buildings. Thus, you can only imagine how much it would cost you to rent one of its luxurious residencies. Penthouse D features as one of the priciest apartments on this list with $237 million USD, making it one of the most expensive apartments in London altogether.